guys, today we're doing we're throwing these rocks at houses, and I just
Please don't call the cops.
Don't do this at home. We're doing this for fun. We already tested it out 2 times on our friend's house. It worked. So I just gonna ring the doorbell. Get the rock. I'm gonna ring the doorbell, and then when it gets in the signal, I'm gonna throw this rock at the window. We're gonna run to the closest place we can hide, so we don't get caught.
Let's do this.
You almost got caught. Oh, we kind of hid. We kind of hid in a place that isn't like close to hiding spots. So first, okay, we're starting.
First things first.
Record me. Okay.
So one time, in the old days, not in the old days, like a few months ago, like
I think it's like a year.
yeah, I think a year ago, like I don't know, like I guess 5 years ago. It was like in
Yeah.
It was in November, okay.
I think it was. Yeah. You mean 5 days ago?
Remember when we were in Prism Street? Prism Street.
That wasn't 5 years ago. That was 1 year ago.
Oh, 1 year ago. So Prism Street, we rang a doorbell. We were obsessed with jingle and ditches.
And then I threw a rock out a window.
No, we rung the doorbell and somebody literally came out. They saw us outside. We literally got caught, but we acted natural.
And we didn't know. Anyway, guys. First things first. Look for hiding spots.
I saw my shoe because it's broken.
Nice shoes, huh? Look at mine.
LeBron's, dude.
Okay, anyway, we're coming back from school. We thought it'll be fun. So, look for hiding spots. I think you got a good one.
Yeah.
Who's doing it? Right, we're both doing it.
I'm gonna rock.
This, fine, you better promise it. This is our target. So we're gonna jump over here and we're gonna run. This target.
Somebody's here. Give me a rock. We couldn't even talk it.
Here's our target.
Okay, tell me on the side. I'm good. I play baseball. No, I don't.
No. What?
Think what I'm thinking?
What?
Do you dare me?
With this poop.
Okay. I'm not gonna
Let's get out of here. No idea. Get off.
Ow, my foot.
That's why I told you not to. That was so fun. He missed though. That's like I do the throwing.
I know. You keep throwing.
Guys, the video's gonna be like, what? This video's only gonna be like 9 minutes long, though. Look at this house. I want this house. Isaiah, I have 3 more rocks.
One.
Get 1 more rock.
Guys, we do that so we can see if the perfect. If the rock's like this big and we throw it and it's like, that means it's not good.
If it's like this, it's perfect because it's light.
Let me get a rock to see.
Get 2 rocks, 1 heavy, 1 light.
See, first one.
That one's good. No, yeah, you gotta do it closer. So, here's the light rock. Perfect. No. Try this one again. So this is the light rock. Perfect. This is the heavy rock. Both fell from the same exact height.
I think. Let me see.
Okay.
Let me.
The little rock. Good. Bad. You see the difference? Put that big one back.
Okay. Let me test my throwing. So,
Run. What do you got?
I didn't know.
We always hide behind.
Somebody does drugs. These people are drugs.
You dare me?
No, I do not dare you to break a glass.
Okay. Get ready to run.
Don't.
Doing so much. Turn.
Yo, you just broke a drug person. Somebody did. somebody does drugs every day.
God.
Every video we make, can we come from Brazil? We're doing that. Tomorrow I'm doing that.
That was so cool.
I never broke glass before.
There should be one over here, I think.
I never broke glass before.
Okay, your turn. To ring the doorbell.
I suck at gaming.
Yeah, you do. A ball, a tennis ball.
Where? Oh,
Throw this out a window. Does it bounce? Not that good though, right?
yeah.
Throw it out a window.
Yeah, let's try that one. Which one?
That one. We're gonna. How about you throw the rock in the? I'll throw the rock in the tennis ball. You ring the doorbell. I have another one. This is the last one anyway. No, this is the last one anyway.
Okay.
Guys, this is the last one. You idiot! Walk me, nothing happened.
I used to call yo, guys, go, guys. So I threw the rock. I was trying to get it over the car, but I thought it was gonna.
Just hold this.
I thought it was
Don't lose it.
I thought it was gonna land on the floor, but it accidentally, literally like hit the car. So we got.
Okay, guys, this is the last one.
The last one. Starting a tennis ball. Okay, found randomly. Okay. Are you ready, dudes? I'm throwing the tennis ball. You're throwing it.
No, you're throwing both of them. I'm doing the doorbell thing.
Ah, poo!
Scrape it all like that.
My LeBrons!
Do this. Do it. Let me see your shoe. They're fine.
My LeBrons!
Yeah, someone's coming. Let's get out of here.
New LeBrons are really...
Okay, guys. So we're gonna do this house. We're gonna try to throw it out that window.
That window? Well, piece of cake.
Don't throw it yet. Don't throw it yet.
Piece of cake. Ready? Go.
Take it.
Peace out.
That's it. Your turn.
Yes.
The ball can go higher than me.
Oh my God.
What are you doing? What? What? What?
You don't know what's missing? Keychain. It fell off. Oh, here. Huh.
I don't care if that falls off. Because I have another one of those. I'm just going to delete the keys fall off. Okay. What house do we do next? You think we can make it?
Oh, no. Yeah, I can make it. Sorry, guys.
Freak.
I can make it. Give me a rock. I hear dog. Sounds like mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on.
Let's get out of here.
He hates me.
Let's go. Yeah, come on. It's not worth it. Try throwing it at the dog. No, throw it at the dog. Throw it at the dog.
No, I can't.
Yeah, hit it. Let's throw it like, I meant throw it over the fence. It's not true. Let's go.
It might be long enough to get in there.
So guys, we're done. This is the end of your video. I hope you like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want us to do next. We will do literally anything. Even if it's like thuggy, look at our skin color. It's so pretty. Look at our skin color.
I'm black. I'm black. Anna?
I'm black. We're literally thugs. So, if you want us to do anything,
By the way,
we only have 20 seconds. Go.
what was I gonna say? We're gonna be doing dirt and rock channels. We're gonna
We're gonna go to that construction site over there, the little over there. That one's bigger, so we're gonna go to that one. 10 seconds left, guys, to see if I can say this. Anyway, guys, we're gonna do a little.
sure
We're gonna do a let go. Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a let go. The let go is we're gonna do some toys that we don't play with. They're still in tip-top shape. We made sure they're okay. Okay, guys. We only have I'll give us like 20 seconds. Cause what do you say to our fans?
So, yeah. Thank you for watching. We love you guys. We love you.
Guess what, guys? This is only our second video. It was really cool. Really cool.
Oh,
Second video.
That's the part. We might be.
And that's our house, the brown one. So guys, we might be recording here.
Yeah,
Yep, we might be recording right there.
Yeah. And we might be playing basketball.
Yeah.
We might be playing
30 seconds.
We might be playing
20 seconds.
superheroes or basketball or all that crap. But yeah. So yeah, we're good.
So guys, this is the ending. We only got 10 seconds left, so let's make it fast. Anyway, guys, that's what it looks like. That's our house. We got to get here for our big brother gets here, because when he gets here, we're dead. Okay, bye.